little brother George.
It's not. It's.
This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
Gada, oh, I've been married a long time ago. Where do you come from? What year to go? What do you come from?
Peppa Pig.
What the hell? Oh my God!
Sailing boat.
Grandpa Pig is taking Peppa and George sailing.
In a boat.
Ahoy!
Enemy spotted.
Here are Mr. Stallion and Mrs. Corgi. They are members of the sailing club.
Psych!
Hello.
We do not care.
It's a bit early for sailing.
Yes.
We do not care.
Thank you for your advice. See you later.
Grandpa, your friend said that we can't go sailing yet.
They don't know what they're talking about. Oh, bother.
Grandpa's boat is stuck in the mud.
There's no water, Grandpa.
Climb!
Yes, the tide seems to be out.
Psych!
We can't go sailing.
Don't worry, the water will come back again soon. Boy! And the boat will rise up.
One eternity later.
Boy!
The water is coming back.
Psych!
Hello, I'm Peppa Pig, and you should totally subscribe to Vanity Pro.